Hello and welcome to Little Planet Wonder. Just imagine a frozen coastline where towering ice meets the Southern Ocean. Across the snow, dark shapes gather against the ice. Then one slips silently into the freezing water. This is the penguin. Although penguins cannot fly through the air, they have become some of the finest swimmers on Earth. Their lives move between land and sea, resting, breeding and raising chicks on shore, then diving beneath the waves to hunt. Penguins evolved from flying birds millions of years ago. Over time, their wings became powerful flippers, trading flight in the sky for speed underwater. Today, there are 18 living species. Many live in and around Antarctica, but others inhabit the coasts of South America, Africa, Australia, New Zealand, and even the Galapagos Islands near the equator. The largest is the emperor penguin, standing over 1 meter tall. The smallest is the little blue penguin, only about 30 centimeters high. Everything about a penguin is shaped for swimming. Streamlined bodies, stiff flippers and strong feet allow them to twist, dive and chase prey with impressive control. Unlike most birds, penguins have solid bones that help them stay underwater. Their dense, waterproof feathers trap insulating air, while a layer of fat helps protect them from freezing seas. Their coloring also acts as camouflage. From above, dark backs blend with deep water. From below, pale bellies merge with the light near the surface. Some emperor penguins dive beyond 500 meters and can remain underwater for more than 20 minutes before returning to breathe. Gentoo penguins, meanwhile, are among the fastest swimming birds on Earth, reaching speeds of around 36 kilometers per hour as they chase fish through the water. Penguins spend far more time at sea than on land. The ocean provides their food, their travel routes, and much of their daily life. Depending on the species, they feed on fish, squid, and tiny shrimp-like krill. Backward-facing spines on the tongue help grip slippery prey before it can escape. Some penguins travel hundreds of kilometers on a single hunting trip. Others return to the same feeding grounds year after year, guided by memory, instinct, and the changing sea. On land, penguins often gather in busy colonies. Some contain only a few hundred birds, while others grow into vast, noisy communities of hundreds of thousands. To human eyes, many penguins look almost identical. Yet each bird can recognize its mate and chick by voice, helping families find one another in the crowd. Some species build nests from pebbles, grass, or feathers. Others lay their eggs directly on bare rock or ice. Once each year, penguins also replace every feather during a complete annual molt. For several weeks they cannot swim or hunt, so they remain on land, living from the energy they stored beforehand until their new waterproof coat is ready. Raising a chick takes patience and teamwork. In most species, both parents take turns warming the egg, guarding the nest, and searching for food. Emperor penguins are especially devoted. After the female lays a single egg, she returns to the sea, while the father balances it carefully on his feet beneath a warm fold of skin. For more than 2 months, he may not eat at all. Through the dark Antarctic winter, he shelters the egg while fierce winds sweep across the ice. When the mother returns, he finally leaves to feed. Life in the polar regions can be extreme. Winter brings darkness, powerful winds, and temperatures that can fall below -60 degrees Celsius in parts of Antarctica. To conserve warmth, emperor penguins huddle tightly together. The birds slowly change places, so each one spends time in the warmer center before moving back towards the edge. By taking turns, the colony helps protect every member from the freezing Antarctic winds. Even here, penguins are part of a wider web of life. They share the Southern Ocean with seals, whales, seabirds, fish, squid, and krill. Penguins have survived for millions of years, but many species now face growing pressure. Changing sea ice, warming waters, pollution, plastic waste, and overfishing can all affect the places where they feed and breed. Scientists study penguin colonies to understand how these birds are responding to a changing world. Conservationists also work to protect breeding sites and create marine reserves where ocean wildlife can recover. Protecting penguins means protecting the healthy seas that support countless other animals too. As the waves roll gently against the shore, the penguins continue their ancient rhythm of diving, feeding, and returning to the colony. These extraordinary birds have lived at the edge of some of Earth's most challenging environments. Their strength, cooperation, and adaptations remind us that life can flourish in even the harshest places. If this little journey sparked wonder, we'd love to have you with us on future journeys. Thanks for listening and for exploring these moments with Little Planet Wonder.